So this is one of the few times you'll see me in a t-shirt instead of a shirt with a collar. Um, I just want to show you what I'm getting ready to do. I'm gonna put together all the Hot Wheels packages. Also listening to the some classic Beatles music, as you saw me put in the player. So up here in this kind granola bar box, I have all of the cars, cutouts of the cars that I have gotten, the Hot Wheels cars, and then I tape what they are on the back. This one I know what it is, but some of the weird, cars that I'm not sure what they are, those tags help. Like that car there, I don't even remember what this is called right now. That is called the Cruise Bruiser. See, I didn't remember that. So after where'd those new cars go? Okay, so I just bought this pizza car today. So say that I'm at the store and I see this car. Most of the cars I remember that I buy, especially after I make a video of them, because I remember making the video. But say I don't remember, if I have the car or not. Say it's a model like the Lotus Esprit that I have quite a few different models of. I can check on the Hot Wheels website here. What you do is you go to this website and you click on cars and you type in this code here, and then this adds it to your collection. So that's how, like, if I'm at the store and I don't remember, then I can check there. I've never done that, but that's the plan if I don't know. I've never had to do that before. But, wow, I've got a lot of paper up there. So the box is getting pretty full, and I have this old photo book here. It's one of the sticky ones. I love the old sticky. I love the old sticky books. Only problem is this one's coming apart. My grandma had old racing pictures in here. That's why you got like Dick Simon and Al Unser's car, and 1979 pace car, Bobby Unser. That's why you got all these great race car drivers' names in here. Well, and the pace car, obviously. But not sure who that is or why that's in here. She must have forgot to. There's the Angaius clipping. I know. But anyway, I'm going to tape all these down in here. The stickies pretty much wore out of this book. That's probably why they don't make these books anymore. I think they're great, though, for stuff like this. Even after the sticky wears off, they're still good for like scrapbooks and stuff. I'm just going to put these in here. It helps me keep track, when you're like me and you collect lots of cars. It just helps to have both a digital and a physical version of your collection. And even though, like, some of my cars are old or I don't have the code for them, but the ones that I do, I can put in here, and I'll obviously put these names. I'll put that, and then the name can go down there. So, something like this. There you go. Something like that is probably what I'm going to do. So, just wanted to show you guys that. I don't know if that's helpful to any of you guys. You guys probably don't do this. I'm odd and like to do that. That would also work. These books would also work if you keep the packaging from like the green light cars. You know, some of those have neat packaging. Like the package for the Silverado, the back of it's pretty neat. I love this picture of the new truck, you know, coming forward, and the classic old C10 truck going back. I just think that's an awesome picture. So I know a lot of guys that I've seen on YouTube keep the cards from the green light packaging. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Like, comment, subscribe for more. This little I cannot talk today. Just a little DIY thing for you guys. If you've got any of these old photo books, if you've converted the photos over, and you still want to, you don't want to throw the book away, well, here's a good way to reuse it. Just tape them all in there. It's better than a flimsy notebook, they're made out of cardboard. So I've decided to add a little bit to the video. I'm gonna show you the progress of this book. So as you can see, what I did was I used to just write on the back of them what it was. I used to not cut out the name of it. So I have the cutout of the car, and then I write, who made it, whether I just abbreviated, Matchbox's abbreviations MBX, Hot Wheels abbreviation HW, so I have the model of the model of the car, then I have the series it's in and the year it's from. Even though with a lot of the Hot Wheels I saved the 50th anniversary, so you can see that they're clearly from 2018. I just went ahead and did that. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And then I taped the plastic down, because as you can see, this one got folded. So I actually need to tape that down up there too. But as long as you tape them in there, they stay pretty good. Sorry about the glare, but you can see, like this one, I saved the whole whatever you call that, the facts about it, I guess. And then I just put the Daredevils, that's what series it's in. I'm gonna make a I guess you'd call it a key, and stick it in this front here of like cut off this side here. It says night come on, focus. Got the Night Burners and then the logo for the Night Burners series. I may just keep the logos and then write what they are. But so like the Night Burners and the Muscle Mania and all of that, all of the series like that, just have some sort of key up here. I can't read the rest of that. I just have check my. I wrote over that tape and it doesn't look very good. So I'm not near done. I still have a bunch of stuff in this box to go through and tape down, and they're not in any order. I don't have like all the Nissans together or all the station wagons together or anything. They're just kind of thrown in wherever. It just happens that there's 2 international trucks here and 2 Nissans up there. It just happened like that. I'm not anywhere near done. I just kind of have them thrown in here wherever. I'd like to have had them in a better order of like all the 2018 cars together, all the 2019 cars together, but I'm just pulling them out of that box and putting them in here, however. These color changer trucks are quite large. They take up quite a bit of space. I think that's as far as I got. Yeah, that's as far as I got. And like I showed you some of the names that were in there, if they're in the way, I go over them with white out. There's names under a bunch of these. I didn't waste white out, and that, you know, just to cover it up. So there's the log, I guess you'd call it, the progress collection log. It's easier than hunting around on the shelf or out in the layout trying to figure out, okay, do I have, you know, this truck or whatever. You know, I can just, you know, go through here, boom, there it is, there we go. I thought about putting all the Matchbox trucks together and all the Hot Wheels stuff together, but I'm not gonna mess with that. And then I when I was done, I taped the plastic down. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Just a little DIY thing for you guys. So have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe. We're still in the subscriber war with B-Jack, so if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And as always, have a good day.